We are here at the Pine Hollow Trail at the Bryant Creek, Missouri State Park. It's our first time at this trail, so we'll see how it goes. We have come to our first flower type. I don't know what these are, but they're pretty. Right, Owen? That's where they're about to open up. They're kind of budding. All right, let's keep going. One of the interesting things about this park is it has a lot of the short leaf pines. These pine trees that are growing. Here's some right here. And we've come up against another flower. This one is a daisy.
I like that.
You do like that? Oh, don't break it. Don't break it. Let's go.
There's more.
Yeah, there's several. Right here, this little purple one.
Number 3. A lot.
It's our third flower of the day. Another thing along this trail that you'll see are ferns. Sorts.
I don't know what these are. I'll take a picture of these.
Yeah, no one found a nut. I think it's a walnut.
Okay,
On
sorry.
the ground. Yep. Pretty cool. Looks like we're coming up on an overlook. Oh, that's a pretty overlook. I don't know if you can see it on the video or not. You may not be able to. But down here, you can see overlook of a field, and you can see the Bryant Creek way down there. There's a bend in the creek. It's beautiful.
We can have a snack up here, Daddy.
We are eating some snacks. We've got trail mix, beef jerky. Owen's got some beef jerky in his mouth like a crazy kid. Ollie's got some in his mouth, he just put it inside there. And Loretta's got, what kind of trail mix is that?
Fruit and nuts.
Yay.
Fruit and nuts.
I got this messy.
And Owen also has a granola bar.
And I got this messy.
Yep.
No, don't do that.
And that's what we're eating. I've got some beef jerky too.
So,
It's about 65 degrees outside, beautiful day.
there's one more thing.
And one of Ollie's favorites, what is that, Ollie? What?
Some gem.
Slim Jim. You love those. There's lots of these big rocks kind of sticking out of the ground.
Hey, go up that way.
Yeah,
Let's go up that way.
you can if you want.
Let's go for a little bit.
I'm going down here.
I'm going up here.
Whoa, that's a big rock.
Let's do it. Can I go up here?
Yeah, and I'll take your picture.
Go ahead.
For a minute. I am the king. Never sleep.
It's King Owen. Da 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 da.
I'm the king.
It's King Oliver.
I'm King Owen.
Da 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 da.
I'm bigger than Owen.
Yeah.
And we have
You think some animals like to hide around this area whenever it rains?
these are enemies.
I think it'd be a good spot, don't you?
Enemies are
Yeah.
and to make a ruin.
Yeah, like a fort. Shelter. And we have found our fourth type of flower along the trail. There's some these yellow ones right here. I don't know what type they are, but they're pretty. There's another one. Oh, and Ollie said he found a rock.
A gold one.
A gold rock. Cool.
Leave it there.
Let's continue on down the hill.
Red.
Owen found a centipede. 100 feet. Their legs.
Hey, it's gonna climb on your camel if you get close to it.
What?
If you get close to it, it'll climb.
Oh, you think
Get
so?
these purple flowers yet?
Try it. Try it, Daddy.
Then right over here next to the caterpillar is some purple flowers. Another flower that's almost hidden if you're not looking for it is on these like umbrella plant things. You look underneath it And you see a pretty white flower.
Come on, Paul.
They're almost hidden from above. Hands and keep climbing up. Now reach up with your hands. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Pull yourself up with your arms. Pull, Ollie. Pull with your arms. Use your muscles. Okay, that's good. You want to try, Owen? Use your arms and climb. Climb, Owen. Use your arms and pull yourself up. If you were to come after a good rain, the water would be flowing through here and you'd have a pretty waterfall. Several different points in here. Down up there one. Ooh, good one. Yeah. Hi. Owen, wait up. We found a friendly turtle. Oh, it's going to the shell. You're scaring it. Hey, turtle.
Don't step on the turtle.
No, don't step on it. His little leg.
He's scared. Are you looking at me? Hey,
If you're real still and quiet, he might come back out.
I see him.
Or not. Okay, let's go.
Toddy!
Bye, turtle.
I'm gonna tickle him. Tickle him. Something, guys.
What did we get, Owen? What's up here? Rocks? These are huge rocks.
Yeah. That's like a bologna sandwich.
That's like a bologna sandwich?
Yeah.
You think so?
Like cheese and meat.
Oh, that's funny.
In a sandwich.
Keep leading the way.
Someone eating. Hey, Lisa. Guys. I think it's like should go this way. Hey.
We found a little waterfall along the trail. Go ahead, Owen.
Check out.
Jump over the water. Okay, now I'm gonna go right here. And we're here.
Daddy!
You come over in here.
Daddy, I need to tell you something.
Nice and cool in here, isn't it?
Yeah. Daddy, I need to tell you something.
What?
If this was tested,
What does?
water and tornado.
Oh,
I found sand.
Mommy's going swimming.
I found sand. I found wet sand.
Yeah.
Oh, and I found wet sand.
Yep, she's cool. Mommy's cooling down in the water.
Oh, let me.
No, you're okay. Oh, you got his feet wet. Maybe mommy can help you.
Wait, jump.
We're almost done, buddy.
Okay, let's go. We're coming up here on the finish line of the trail. We've made it back right across from where we started. And there's our car.
And are we going to it? No, yet. I don't think so. Are we?
And you made it.